All right, so let's say we're in Blockbench and we just created our model and we put the general colors that we wanted where we wanted to put them. But it's not very shady. This is all very solid colors I dislike. So I want to add some variation in there. Let me show you my lazy way of introducing this. Over here, I've opened this up in GIMP. If you don't have it, I would recommend getting it. It's free. We have our texture that we were designing over here imported into GIMP. I've just opened the image file. You can see it's over here. I've called it normal because it's the non-shiny version. I'm going to go ahead and create a new layer. Down here was the new layer button. There's a nice little create a new layer and add it to the image button. I'll click that. I'm just going to hit OK on this. Make sure fill with transparency is what you got. And hit OK. Now I've got this empty layer sitting above my other layer. Can't see anything on it yet. Don't worry too much about that until we get to what we're going to generate on that layer. Up in the filters menu, we've got a render menu, we've got a noise menu, we've got a solid noise menu. And you can see, well, this is stepping in the right direction, but that's way too wide of an area that it's shading. I'm going to crank this up all the way. So now this is pretty jagged. This is closer to what you might see inside of Minecraft. I'm going to hit OK. And well, that kind of sucks. I've lost my image, right? I'm going to change my mode to overlay. And you can see, boom, instantly. Now we have some shading, but it's a bit much. So I'm going to take my opacity for that layer. And if it's 0, then we don't have that shading. And if it's 100, it's at the max crank up that it can be. So I'm going to take it to about that much. And if we pull it in, it's going to look something like this. I've already prepared this guy using this exact same pattern. We got the shading going on. So that's my lazy shading solution. I don't have to worry about it. We use random generation in order to get it to work. Thanks. Bye.